Hi everyone, I'm Nat. We have only been here a month, but I can't wait to show you through my home. Come on in. So this used to be our main bedroom, but with the renovation, we decided to turn it back into a formal sitting space, which certainly suits the era of the home. I love it because the kids are up the back, we can shut the doors, and at the end of the busy day, we can come down here and relax. We've even got a fancy little bar behind me, so it is so fun when we have friends over and we entertain. Given this is at the front of the house, we wanted to keep our bedroom here as well. So should we take a look at that? So this is our bedroom, and this room is all about colour and texture. You can see we've gone muted pink for the walls and even the ceiling, and there's so much texture in this space. We've got beautiful velvets in the cushions, in the occasional chair. You've got this delicious mohair rug. We've got beautiful linen curtains and wool carpet, and it just makes everything feel so cosy and homely. And I love it how this space goes straight through to the bathroom. So let me show you that as well. And I love this bathroom. It feels a little bit like a hotel. And what I love is that even though we've used lots of cool and harder surfaces, by incorporating the curved wall with the curved towel rail, it still feels cozy, just like our bedroom. When we decided to renovate this space, we wanted a hallway that was long and wide and really welcoming. It was also an opportunity for me to inject a bit of fun and colour. I love this pale blue buffet, and the Lottie Ray piece of art would have to be one of my favourite things. I'm loving the timber boards. They're from Godfrey Hirst. They're long, they're wide, they take you down to the entertaining space. And I'd have to say, this hallway's become a favourite place for Harvey to kick his football. Let's go and take a look. The brief for this living space was high ceilings and natural light. I think you can agree that we did achieve just that. It feels so happy in this space, a space where our family sit down and relax, and also an open plan kitchen that makes it so fun for entertaining. In fact, we did have a New Year's party here, and I can confirm that it worked especially well. By now, you've probably realised that I love colour, and this kitchen was another opportunity to have some fun. You can see that we've gone a beautiful pale green, which I adore, and this tundra marble complements it so well. And another funny thing, the timber boards that we've selected have gorgeous natural grey knots, and that seems to tie everything together. It's a great space for entertaining, and I can tell you that this island bench has become a second dining space for my kids. And now I'm sitting at the other end of our house, a space that we like to call the kids zone, a place where we can shut the door and not hear all of their noise. I've loved decorating the kids' rooms. It's one of my favourite things to do. We've got lots of neutral bed linen, the grey paint behind us, the grey curtains, and really neutral carpet as well. Not only does this look good, but it's highly practical. With 2 kids and a little cavoodle, the loop pile and a little flecks of different colour, it's super forgiving. It's Highcraft by Godfrey Hirst, and we're really happy with it. Thank you so much. I have loved showing you my home. See you later.